Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I Professor Smita Mangizinarkar. Today's topic is about control statement in C. This is a very vast topic. That's why we have divided this video section into many modules. This is the first part. Later on we will see the part 2 as well as 3 also. Because control structure when we are seeing, so basically it is a sequential control structure, it is a decision control structure and many things within that also. So one by one we are going to see each and every control statements. So let's start with control statement in C. First one, that is sequential statement as well as a branching statement, and next part, that is a loop statement. So basically control statements get divided into three different parts: sequence, branch as well as loop. Already loop statement I have covered in my previous video section, that is for, while as well as do while loop. Now we will covering today, that is a conditional statement, which is if, else if, nested if, else if ladder and switch case. Switch case video already I have posted. So those who want to view, in the description box, link is there. And the next branching statement, that is an unconditional branch statement, which is go to, break, which we have already used within the switch, continue and return. So let's start with the conditional statement, that is if else. So if else is further divided into simple if, that is a if condition, that is it will execute the true part. When we are saying about the if else, so one true and one false. So if condition will execute only that condition is a true. If it is not satisfying this condition, then ultimately it will go for the else, whether it's satisfying or not satisfying, but it will bring that false part. Next, if else if. So over here we are using more than one condition. So if there is a true condition, so it will go for that. Next, else if, again true statement, and finally my false. So at a time, if you want to use more than one condition, simple example we will take. If I want to compare two different numbers, which one is the largest number? So let's assume you are going for if else. If x is a greater than y, it will print x is a greater. Otherwise, it will go for else statement, that is else x is a smaller than y. Now, if same program we are doing with if else if. So x is a greater than y, it will print x is a larger. Otherwise, one more condition, x is a smaller than y. So x is a smaller. And last one, that is a false. Maybe both the numbers are equal. So like that way. So according to our requirement, we are using these kinds of conditional statements. Next part, that is a nested if. Means for example, if you want to find out the grade of students, whether they have getting the A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade, that is a pass class, fail. More than one condition we are using. So such type of programming we are using nested if. Next one, that is a switch case. Switch case will again be part of conditional statement, and this is a simple expressions of switch case. This is the syntax for switch case. Within this switch we are storing the expression. For switch also I have already posted video. If you want to view, in the description box there is a link, so you will get the idea about switch, how basically we can do the multiple programs with the help of switch case. So control statements controls the flow of executions of the statement of the particular programs. The various types of control statements in C which can be used. So first one, that is your sequence, second one is a conditional, and last one is a iteration, that is your loop, either do while or for. First one, that is a sequential control. So this which is used in C program, statements which are executed sequential form, that is a one after another. So this is a very, we can say, fruitful those who are beginner. For example, your flow chart, algorithm, each and everything is in the step by step. So that is called as a sequential program. Means one after another from beginning to end. So let's start with some simple program. Just we are doing the additions of two numbers and that answer gets stored within the third variable. So step by step each and everything get specified over here. So three different variables get initialized. Within two variables user will do the input, and within the third variable my process part is there, and that variable who is holding the answer will specify with a respective prototype in the printf statement. Second part, that is a conditional control. So the execution of statements depend upon the condition test. If the condition evaluate true, then set of statements is executed. Otherwise, another set of statement is followed. So this control is also called as decision control because it helps making decision about which set of statement is to be executed. So decision control structure in C which can be implemented by using if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, else if ladder, and case control structure switch. All the programs which we have seen deeply one by one in my videos. And the last one, that is a conditional operator, that is a expression. Condition give the your expressions. All the videos links is provided in the description box. Third one, that is a iteration. So iteration or loops are used when we want to execute the statements or block of statement several times. That is a repetition of loop which is controlled with the help of test condition. The statement in the loop keeps on executing the repetitively until that test condition becomes false. So these are basically three types: do while or for. This video is going to continue. So keep watching my videos. Thank you students, and don't forget to like, subscribe as well as share. All the videos links is available in the description box. Thank you.